They got pretty drunk. What shot of the night?
You're like in my brain. Cheers. Pushes me. Mom, sister. Stop them right now.
There's someone in this one.
Bro, I'm like crashing out.
Ooh, baby's fuck.
Don't put this in.
Hi besties, welcome back. Today I'm joined with
Vivi, hello.
So today the three of us are gonna be getting ready. We have a drink for me.
Drink for me?
And a drink for you guys. You guys get the shot. You guys have to gulp all of
right
this.
now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We are getting ready to go to a little party, a little hangout.
Shotgun right now.
Raspberry.
Half and half.
Honestly, I'm not a fan of Twisted Tea.
Cheers.
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 Can I taste yours? I low-key like yours better.
I'm down.
Do you like
it?
it? Yeah. Should we start
right now? Wait, what do you guys think?
I feel like Dora. We're gonna take our shot.
I'm horrible at taking shots. Like, I might cry. Are you guys ready? You ready?
Mm-hmm. Cheers. We're just gonna go to... Honestly, I don't know.
If you don't know, I know even less.
I don't know. I was actually abandoned by my friends. They are all partying it up in Tulum right now.
I am dying. I wish I was there. Like, that would save my life right now.
That should be me partying it up.
You know what though? Like, we're going somewhere this year. I don't care like where, but we're going. I don't know where, but we're going.
There.
We're there. We're there.
Exactly. Right now.
Wait, do you have any trips planned this year?
No.
Like, me neither, but like I want to go everywhere and everywhere. My outfits, it's not gonna eat. Brought 3 shirts that I wear like literally every single time.
Yeah, but think about it. You don't wear it with these people. So they're brand new outfits.
Right. I have so much to tell you. Bro, I'm like crashing out. It's bad. Don't put this in. Like, I'm itchy.
Like,
and burning.
Maybe I should pull some questions out of my ass.
Mm-hmm.
Let's talk about our thoughts on... So what am I saying? Thoughts on boyfriends with girl best friends.
0 out of 10. Never in my life. I will never participate in that. Yeah, no. I know like the girl best friend, boy best friend thing. Like, I've seen it a million times and no.
Have you ever snuck out?
No. I feel like I was such an innocent teenager. Really?
I've never snuck out.
Really?
Yeah.
I swear, like, didn't you make that video?
Yeah, but like I've never like snuck
Like,
out to meet a boy or like go do something bad. You know
I feel
what
like it's like I feel like I still have to. Like, I still live with my mom. Like, I feel like I have to. Like,
Yeah.
I need to do it at least once in my life.
But I feel like it's also like why? If I ask, like they'll let me go.
Yeah, wait.
So it's like
You're actually so right.
what is one piece of advice you would give for making your friendships last longer?
I guess like
Be a good friend.
yeah. Your turn.
Mm-hmm.
Amazing.
How to get over an ex.
Just stay busy, guys. Coming from experience, at the end of the day, you'll literally be fine. Life moves on. Time will heal. Just keep yourself busy. Go out. Have fun. What have I done?
Stand on business.
Stand on business.
Even if it's hard.
Dude, like, there'll be days where you're, like, actually crashing out and, like, crying and, like, wanting to, like...
Text them.
Yeah. But just stay strong and, like, you got this. You're, like, in my brain. Like, actually just speak for me.
What's your like funniest drunk story?
Funniest? Do you have one, like, that you could say right now?
I feel like
all of my drunk stories are, like, tragic. They're, like, Vivi, like,
traumatic.
what are you doing?
Like, been like stuck back there.
Yeah, I'm like...
I feel like that isn't like I'm gonna get in trouble. I'm gonna get my ass beat.
Uh-huh.
I went to Cabo with Miranda. We're in the pool drinking like the whole day. I really needed a pee, so we get out of the bar and I'm like low-key running because like I'm obviously a little drunk and I'm peeing my pants. So I start running. I literally slip. I see blood on the floor and I'm like, whose blood is that? And I'm like, ah! And then I look and I'm bleeding.
Where?
I think it was like my knee or something. I don't know. I feel like that was like funny because it was like innocent, like nothing tragic happened.
Yeah.
But it was just so funny and like you just had to be there. You guys wouldn't understand. Miranda would be here cackling.
Wait, I don't have anything funny. Like, guys, everything's tragic. I mean, Baja Beach Fest. I drank too much. It was day 3. My brother got us a table, like in like the beach club or whatever. Me and Isa, we were like, okay, once Fuerza Regida comes on, like we're gonna go to like back to our section in the front so we can see them like in our face.
Yeah.
Long story short, I just kept getting like fed fat shots of Don Julio. Like, basically fought with everybody. Isa ends up going like ahead of me and then I'm like left back. The person I was with, they were just like, oh, like you're too drunk, like you can't go to the section. I just started arguing with everyone. I started crying. I was like, what do you mean? Like, I have to go. Mom, sister. Like, I'm literally like
You were fighting with them too?
fighting with everybody. Isa comes back, she starts screaming at me. But keep in mind, like, she's also like dead too. Bro, me and Isa like start arguing, like pushes me, like no, like we're actually like mad at each other. We're like, then she like runs off into the wind, and I just like that's when I start like regaining consciousness again. I remember her like she's like running away, and I'm just like crying behind her. I'm like, no, like I'm sorry. I actually haven't gotten that drunk since, like that bad.
Yeah. How we met. I had known about Vivi. I honestly don't remember much like about you going to Rancho or seeing you at Rancho. Yeah,
Okay.
I don't really remember.
We went to the same middle school, and
yeah, we went to the same middle school, but like I don't remember much about that. Once my freshman year, which was your sophomore year, we went to a quince, and like that's like the memory I have.
Me too. Like the first memory of you was like that quince, 100%.
That was like 4 years ago.
Yeah, maybe like 5.
We followed each other on Instagram. We would like maybe slide up here and there on each other's stories, but it was never like we were like friends like necessarily. I one day am like scrolling because I love looking through my like recommended, and I saw Vivi's account, and I was like, oh my god.
And at this point, like nobody really know about my YouTube. Like I wasn't posting it. Like it was just like on your like cutesy like creative, like I'm still shy.
I texted her because I was looking like fangirling. I was like, oh my god, I actually really like her videos. I texted you first, right? Or did you text me?
I remember you texting me like you said something about like, oh, like I found your videos, and I was like,
because I know we had texted your sophomore year and my freshman year of college. We texted for like a week, I think, and stuff.
No, yeah. I just remember like you something, but like I don't remember like the conversation.
Yeah. And then from there, like it was just like little like text here and there. It was when I went on your live, right?
It was my live, yeah.
I went on your live, and then you had said how you like had seen that I was like I go to cycling or whatever, and then you were like, I'll text you after like my live, and then you actually did. Yeah, and
I'm a woman of my word.
She really texted me. We made our plan. We went to spin together, and I think what brought us really close was like when you went through your breakup.
Yeah.
Like we were able to bond through something, you know.
No, when I told her, so like I drove her back from a cycling class, and I was like, wait, I have something to tell you, and I was like nervous because like it had like my breakup had just happened.
We actually already had a sleepover, guys, that we in my head I was like, oh my god, like cutesy, because we went out together. I thought it was gonna be like girly, like
no, and I remember you were like, do you want to take your makeup off? And I was like, no. Like knocked out.
Like in my head I'm like, we're gonna like take our makeup off together, like put face masks on, we're gonna talk.
Wait, tonight though, like for real.
I think we're gonna go to sleep right now. I need to like get my beauty sleep. Right now, should we try to do the trend like where we try not to say like so much?
Ready, set, go. And if not, you have to 10 seconds.
Okay. I feel like
I'm improving. No, I didn't say it. Wait, I don't want to say the word. Okay, did you guys see that there's blue buzz balls now? Biggies?
I haven't tried the small one though.
I mean,
so I don't even know what it tastes like.
Yeah, just know I need it. Like,
I like drinking with Vivi because Vivi is my friend. 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's so crazy. Like if you never went on my live.
You
like,
said it again.
Guys,
honestly, stay quiet.
Like I'm not talking anymore.
You said it again.
I'm not playing this game anymore. I can't. Guys, game is over. I'm not doing this anymore. Like that's crazy. Like if you never joined my live, we wouldn't have been here.
I know. Last shot, guys. Last shot of the night.
That wasn't that bad.
That was worse to me. Let's see, like, what the fuck we're gonna wear, because me and Vivi are both struggling.
Low-waisted or, like, mid-waist jeans.
Yeah, I love.
Cotton on. I swear to God, I wear this, like, every single day of my life, but, like...
I love how it's, like, so girly.
This... I also wear it every single day of my life. Like, what's going on? Okay, we'll try this one on first.
Okay, This is top from Sarah. She's like the napkin top. I have this top that
I really love that one.
Never
like, red
worn.
is you.
Because it's not really like a top I would reach for now, like how I dress now. But I feel like this is like the perfect moment to wear her.
I'm going for this one.
This is also from Sarah, like I said. It's this cute little bodysuit that is so beautiful.
Yeah, I feel like I'm going to the club right now. Wait, that's cute.
Okay, what are we thinking about?
Dude, I love it. 10 out of 10.
Okay guys, we're ready. This is from Sada. I got it a long time ago. These jeans are Levi's, and then I have my Dior high tops.
Shirt is Andreas. Where is it from? From Garage. I love Garage. Pants are from Cotton On. I'm wearing my Converse CDG.
Now, Vivi has been attacking me because I...
Dude, I drank my whole twisted tea and hers is like full. No, me too. Like really I was sipping throughout the whole thing. How about you finish that one and this one?
I want to be alive for this party.
Okay. Dude, you look so good. Hello. flow. No, wait,
okay.
drop. El dúo dinámico.
Okay. Wait, I forgot again. Okay. Perfect!
That was cute.
We did it.